Let's now review how we go about solving for the argument of a logarithmic function when we are given the base and the power. If the base, b, and the power y are provided, then the argument x can be found by converting the function to exponential form. So log of base b of x is equal to y. We convert to exponential form by taking our base b, that's raised to a power of y, and that equals x. So b to a power of y is equal to x. So if we are given our base and our power, by converting it to exponential form, we'll have b and y provided on one side, and we can evaluate that expression to get our argument x. So let's walk through an example together. Let's say you were asked to solve for x, and you were given log of base 3 of x is equal to 2. So how do we go about solving for the argument x here? Step 1, we want to convert the function to exponential form. So we take our base of 3, raise it to a power of 2, and set that equal to the argument, which is x. And now step 2, we evaluate the expression 3 squared. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So we find that the argument x is equal to 9, letting us know that log of base 3 of 9 is equal to 2. So that is how we go about solving for the argument x when we are provided both the base and the power of a logarithmic function. Let's now have you try a few practice questions. Solve for x. Question number 1. Log of base 4 of x is equal to 2. Question number 2. Log of base 2 of x is equal to 4. And question number 3. Log of base 5 of x is equal to 3. Pause the video, answer these questions, and then press play when you are ready to begin. Question number 1. We were given log of base 4 of x is equal to 2. So step 1, we want to convert the function to exponential form. So we take our base of 4, raise it to a power of 2, and set that equal to our argument x. And now step 2, we want to evaluate the expression 4 squared. So we multiply the base 4 times itself 2 times. And 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So we find that x, the argument, is equal to 16, letting us know that log of base 4 of 16 is equal to 2. That is the answer to question number 1. Let's now have a look at question number 2. We were given log of base 2 of x is equal to 4. Step 1, convert the function to exponential form. So we take our base of 2, raise it to a power of 4, and set that equal to the argument x. And now step 2, we want to evaluate the expression 2 to a power of 4. So we multiply our base 2 times itself 4 times. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 times 2 is 16. So we find that x, the argument, is equal to 16, letting us know that log of base 2 of 16 is equal to 4. So that is the answer to question number 2. Let's now have a look at question number 3. We're given log of base 5 of x is equal to 3. Step 1, we want to convert the function to exponential form. So we take our base of 5, raise it to a power of 3, and set that equal to the argument x. And now step 2, we want to evaluate the expression 5 to a power of 3. So we multiply the base 5 times itself 3 times, showing us 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is equal to 125. So we find that the argument x is equal to 125, letting us know that the log of base 5 of 125 is equal to 3.